Okay. So, okay. These rising winds carry, these rising winds carry water droplets. Water droplets. Rising winds carry water droplets. Okay. And upper side, what is happening? What? Where they freeze. Where they freeze. So there is a friction between upward rising winds and fall down. The friction between, the friction between rising upward wind and falling droplets, falling water droplets produce produce sound and lightning. Lightning. This is called thunderstorm. This is called, this is called thunderstorm. Okay. So just see, I am unmuting you and now we'll explain. Just a minute. Okay? Okay. Okay. Okay, I am explaining. Just see, what is thunderstorm? Simple thing. Thunderstorm always develop in how? Hello? Friction you don't know. The friction between rising upward wind, rubbing. Okay? Rubbing. Just understand this one. Storm in hot and humid area only. And how it is developing? Just see. Try to understand. Just please listen carefully so that everybody understands. Just see, near the earth temperature is high. So just see, whatever air is there near the earth, that will rise up because hot air is lighter, and along with the air, some water droplets will also rise. So these rising winds carry water droplets upward. These rising winds carry water droplets upwards, and in upper side these water droplets will freeze and again they will fall down, because when they freeze they become heavier, so they will fall down, and from bottom means from the earth still air is rising up. So there is a friction between falling down water droplets and rising air, and because of this, what will happen? What will happen? Sound and light will produce. This stage is only called the thunderstorm. Are you getting my point or not? Only reason. produce. Okay. Don't sound, don't don't produce sound so that everybody. Otherwise, again I will mute you. Hello. Don't move. Now, am I audible to you or not? And what, okay. And what is written that is also clear to you. Uh, so, what precautions we must take while thunderstorm is there? Just see. We must take certain precautions. Just see. Do not take shelter isolated or tree. If you are in a forest, take shelter under a small tree. Do not lie on the ground. Do not take shelter under an umbrella with a melting, and do not sit near a window. Open garage, storage sets, metal sets are not safe place to take shelter. A car or a bus is a safe place to take shelter. If you are in water, get out and go inside a building. So these are the some of the precautions which you have to take care whenever thunderstorm means lightning and sound is there. Okay. Hello. Okay. So shall I write the precautions also? So okay. Thunderstorm have you written? Just a minute. Precautions. Precautions during thunderstorm. Okay. Just think. Precautions during thunderstorm. Okay. So just see. What are the first one is do not take shelter. Okay. Okay. Do not take. Okay. Let me apply the color mic also. Okay. Don't worry, I will explain further. Don't worry. So do not take shelter in isolated places. Isolated places. Okay. Next precaution says do not take shelter under an umbrella. Shelter under an umbrella. Umbrella. Okay. Do not sit under window. Do not sit near window, near window, take shelter, take shelter in bus or car. Okay, so just see here. Okay, I am removing the color mic. Okay, okay, okay. Please just note down these precautions. Okay, fifth one is also there. Get out. Not take shelter under an umbrella. And fifth one is out of water and go inside. Go inside. Go inside building. Okay, just see. Okay, just you note down these precautions. So how many precautions I taught basically five precautions. Do not take shelter in isolated places. Do not take shelter under an umbrella. Okay. Next one is do not sit near window. Take shelter in bus or car. Come out of water and go inside building. Okay. So these are the precautions which are needed to be taken care of during thunderstorm timing. Okay. Are you getting my point or not? Now just see. Just a minute. This thunderstorm is only developing into cyclone. So how thunderstorm is becoming cyclone? Everything I will. I hope that today is better than earlier two classes. Okay. So just I now, just see what I will do tomorrow onwards. Listen here. First, I will join you, and afterwards, I will mute. Okay, and the last 10 minutes, I will unmute so that you can ask your questions. Okay, and in between little bit problem may be there. Sometimes problem, sometime video problem. So you have to bear with me because here what is there, internet speed is not that much high, so in between some problem may be there. So I hope that you will bear with me. Okay. So, uh,
Sir, bye sir. Bye sir. Goodbye.
okay,
Bye sir.
don't
Thank you.
don't leave, don't leave, don't leave, don't leave me, don't leave meeting.
Sir, Akash Balkoti is very bad boy.
Hey,
Sir,
otherwise,
Abhishek Sali is a very Free Fire player.
listen here.
Please don't say good boy and bad boy.
Just see, if you will do like that, na, so I will not unmute even for single second. Okay? Will mute you forever. Now I have unmuted you so that you can ask your doubts. You can interact with me. Okay?
Yes, sir.
If you will do like that, then I will not allow you to speak with me. Okay? I hope that class timing is over. Over or not?
Over, sir. 11, sir. Over, sir.
Okay.
Sir, time is over, sir.
So we'll do
Sir,
tomorrow.
today's class over.
Okay?
Sir. Sir, today's class very super. Bye bye, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. Have a nice